Today I will show you how to attach a file in a Gmail email using a PC step by step. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. After that, on the top right corner, I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. A drop down menu appeared and from there I clicked on Gmail. Now the Gmail interface opened on my screen. Next, from the left side panel, I clicked on the Compose button. A new email window popped up where I could see the to field, subject field and the message box. In the to field, I entered the email address of the person I wanted to send the email to. Then in the subject field, I typed attach files in email guide. After that, in the message area, I wrote my text. Please like, share and subscribe. Now at the bottom of the email window, next to the send button, I saw the attach files icon. I clicked on that icon and my file manager opened. From here, I selected an image file from my computer and clicked on open. Within a few seconds, the file was successfully attached to my email. Once the attachment was ready, I clicked on the send button. And that's it. My email was successfully sent with the attached file. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful guides.